Go, go. Right 4, long. And left 4, into right 5, very long. 80, right 2, post inside, don't cut. 60, left 4, then right 5, past building. Left 3, keep left. Then left 4, into right 4. Left 5. Right 5, very long, and left 2, don't cut, bump, and right left chicane. Left 4, open, into left 3, slippery and narrow. 200, jump, keep middle and jump. Right 4, very long and left right chicane. Left 3, very long, into right 6 and left 4. Careful, narrow, into right 5. 200, crest. Right 3, don't cut. Into left 4, narrow. Bump, then right 5, and left 6, into left 5. Right 4, into left 4. 40, left 3, into right 4. Then left 3, long. Right 4, and 60. Left 4. 40, on crest, then right 6, and left 6. Right 3, long. Into left 3 and right left chicane. Into right 3, then left 3. 40, right 4, into left 5. 100. Careful, keep left, jump. Into right 6 and right 4, slippery. Then left 4 and right 5, finish. Great, go. Hairpin left. Right 2, into left 3, and right 2, then hairpin left, handbrake. 80. Hairpin left. Very long and hairpin right. Right left chicane into left 3. Right left chicane. Right 5 and 40 hairpin left. Careful, right 2 and jump. Then right 2 into hairpin left, 150. Right left chicane and 40, hairpin left, then jump. Right 3, long and 40, hairpin left. Hairpin left. Right 2 into left 3 and right 2, then hairpin left, handbrake. 80. Hairpin left, very long and hairpin right. Right left chicane into left 3. Right left chicane. Right 5 and 40, hairpin left. Careful. Right 2 and jump. Then right 2 into hairpin left. 150. Right left chicane and 40, hairpin left. Then jump. Right 3, long and 40, hairpin left.